Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled 480 volt input rectifier, brought to you by Lanco. Unit comes with a ripple filter. We'll take a look at that here in a second. Very nice working condition, has been tested, checked out here at Lanco, is ready to go. There's the nameplate there. It does have a remote control. Here is the remote. To start it, you do have to hold down the green button for roughly 2 to 3 seconds before it kicks on. Overall dimensions, 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 40 inches high. We'll come back around here. The ripple filter is right here. You can mount that to the top of the rectifier or put it anywhere you want. Just bust it in. And we'll now crank up the volts. See the O-scope wave here. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.